Why do we spend a third of our lives asleep? For centuries, the true purpose of sleep has been a mystery. Every animal with a brain needs sleep, but what's really happening inside us that makes it so essential? Old theories suggested sleep was just for saving energy or hiding from danger, but those don't explain why we risk being so vulnerable for hours. Scientists began to look deeper, shifting focus from the whole brain to the tiny components inside our cells. The investigation led to mitochondria, the microscopic power plants in nearly every cell. New research suggests these cellular engines might be the key to understanding why we sleep, acting as biological timekeepers that track our energy use and signal when it's time to recharge. This discovery is transforming our understanding of sleep, health, and aging. Mitochondria are the power plants of our cells, generating the energy we need to live. They produce ATP, the fuel for everything from heartbeats to thoughts. Our brains, which use the most energy, are packed with mitochondria. But mitochondria do more than make energy. They also regulate metabolism, control cell life cycles, and send signals. As they work, they produce reactive oxygen species, ROS, a byproduct that can cause damage if it builds up. Scientists realize that the stress from too much ROS might signal when a cell needs rest. Mitochondria aren't just power generators, they're sophisticated monitors, possibly in charge of our need for sleep. This new view shifts mitochondria to the center of one of our most vital biological functions. Studying sleep in humans is tough, so scientists turn to fruit flies, which share many genes with us and also need sleep. Researchers at Oxford focused on sleep-controlling neurons in fruit flies and watched the mitochondria inside them. As flies stayed awake, their mitochondria worked harder, building up ROS, like engines running hot and producing more exhaust. This buildup triggered a channel in the mitochondria to open, sending a message to the neuron: it's time to rest. The discovery showed that the need for sleep is a specific process tied to mitochondrial health in certain brain cells. The humble fruit fly revealed that our bodies track energy use cell by cell, telling us when it's time to pay our sleep debt. This was a breakthrough in understanding the true biological roots of sleep. It's not just about the whole brain, it's about the health of tiny engines inside select cells. Sleep pressure, or sleep homeostasis, is the growing urge to sleep the longer we're awake. Fruit fly research suggests mitochondria are the accountants, tracking energy use and stress in sleep-regulating neurons. As we go about our day, mitochondria burn fuel and the needle on the stress gauge, rises. When stress hits a critical point, a mitochondrial channel opens, changing the neuron's electrical state and sending a go-to-sleep signal. This is the physical basis of feeling sleepy. Our mitochondria telling our brain it's time to rest. During sleep, energy use drops, mitochondria get a break, and ROS levels fall. This reset leaves us refreshed and ready for a new day. Sleep isn't just recharging. It's essential maintenance for our cellular engines. That's why good sleep is so restorative. The most exciting part? Scientists can now study and even manipulate the sleep switch. Damaging mitochondria in sleep neurons made fruit flies sleep sooner and longer. Helping mitochondria with antioxidants let them stay awake longer. This proved mitochondrial stress doesn't just correlate with sleep, it causes it. Our sleep patterns are linked to cellular health. Inefficient mitochondria mean more stress and more sleepiness. This could explain why some people feel tired all the time or why sleep needs change with age. The mitochondrial sleep switch also connects with our circadian rhythm, syncing our need for sleep with the time of day. These two systems work together to ensure we get the rest we need. Understanding this opens new doors for improving sleep and health. Though discovered in fruit flies, this mechanism likely applies to us. Our brain cells are packed with mitochondria too. If our mitochondria are dysfunctional, they may send premature or chaotic sleep signals, leading to sleep disorders or constant fatigue. This insight could shift treatment from just managing symptoms to targeting mitochondrial health. Poor sleep and mitochondrial dysfunction are linked to age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A lifetime of cellular stress, worsened by poor sleep, may contribute to brain decline. Prioritizing sleep gives our mitochondria time to repair, protecting our brains as we age. Every night we invest in our long-term health by letting our cells recover. Sleep is powerful preventative medicine. This science is paving the way for smarter sleep and brain health. Imagine future tests measuring your cellular stress, warning you of sleep problems before they start. Treatments could target mitochondrial health, not just sedate us, leading to more natural, restorative sleep. Wearable tech might soon track cellular stress, giving personalized advice for better rest. By understanding sleep at the cellular level, we can live longer, healthier lives. Sleep isn't lost time, it's vital maintenance for our cells. Thanks to fruit flies, we now know how to rest smarter and protect our brains for years to come.